opened her lunchbox, looked inside, and found some food superheroes with pride. Food gives energy every day, helping us learn and work and play. Healthy food helps us grow upright, keeping our bodies strong and bright. Food is something everyone needs, people, animals, plants, and seeds. Food helps us grow both strong and tall, and protects our bodies through it all. Food gives energy for work and play, helping us stay active every day. Carbohydrates are energy food, giving power and a happy mood. Rice and wheat and bread we know help our bodies run and grow. Potatoes, cereals, sugar too give quick energy to me and you. Fats store energy for later use, keeping our bodies warm too. Butter, oil, and nuts are there, helping our bodies with extra care. Too much fat is not okay, eat the right amount every day. Proteins help our muscles grow, repairing body parts, don't you know? Eggs and pulses, beans and paneer help us grow stronger every year. Fish and milk are protein too, building healthy bodies for me and you. Vitamins and minerals protect us well, helping our bodies stay healthy as well. Fruits and vegetables every day keep many illness away. Calcium helps our bones stay strong, iron helps blood all day long. Red foods help the heart stay strong, yellow foods help healing along. Green foods boost immunity too, orange helps eyes and skin for you. Purple and blue help the brain, white and brown give energy gain. A balanced diet is what we need, different nutrients help us succeed. Carbs and proteins, fruits and more give our bodies what they're looking for. There are many cooking methods too, let's learn them all, me and you. Boiling cooks food in water hot, frying uses oil a lot. Baking happens in an oven bright, roasting cooks with direct heat right. Steaming is healthy, soft and light, grilling cooks food just right. Healthy cooking habits are smart, they help protect every part. Wash vegetable before you cut, don't overcook, that's a must. Use less water while you cook, healthy habits are worth the look. Food preservation helps food stay good, keeping freshness like it should. Refrigeration keeps food cool, freezing is another useful tool. Drying removes water away, helping food last many a day. Salting helps preserve food too, pickling is another thing we do. Sweetening helps jam survive, keeping tasty foods alive. Canning stores food safely too, for future meals for me and you. Pasteurization heats then cools, a smart preservation